Hi, this is Russ Ward for Pixels and Pills, and I'm talking here with Jack Barrette.
Jack, good to see you. Hi, I'm Jack Barrette. I am the CEO and founder of WeGo Health, and we're happy to have presented this morning the opinion of health activists. So WeGo Health is a community of folks who are the social media power users, the folks who are really online every day, several times a day on multiple different social media sites, really the creators of the content that everyone's talking about today.
Excellent. And Jack, do you think that the questions the FDA have been asking here at the hearing are the right ones?
I think they are asking for the opinion of consumers like ours, and that's been very much on their mind, is how can the folks from industry who are here or the health sites here illuminate what consumers want from social media, what they expect to be the role of industry and FDA. And our consumers said they'd like to see health industry involved in social media. They see value in that, but they do expect them to be regulated. They expect media to be monitored and regulated by the FDA, but also the companies have a responsibility to follow those regulations.
So with those regulations in mind and this conference today, do you really think that the public know much about what's happening here and what the issues are about?
Well, interesting, we asked our audience, and data we didn't get to present here, if they knew who regulated this particular part of the industry and this part of communication, and many of them guessed the FDA correctly, but almost a similar number guessed the FCC or the FTC. So the answer is they know there are regulations that prohibit companies from being open, but they don't really know exactly what they are or why they're keeping companies out of the conversation. So they'd like to open up the floodgates of conversation.
So it sounds like there's a lot to do here in this space. So if there was one thing you'd like the audience to take away today, what would that be?
Well, I think the thing that they should take away is that not all social media consumers are created equal, and there really is that top 10% of health activists, of consumer opinion leaders, who are the ones creating and editing and writing and reviewing and uploading and downloading most of the content that 90% of the world reads or finds on Google. So if we can engage those people, those consumer leaders, it's not an insurmountable number of folks. It's the right people, the consumer opinion leaders.
Okay, Jack, well, we really appreciate your time here this afternoon. Is there anything else you want to add before we go?
Well, I'd happy to. We have much more data than we're able to share today, so if folks want to look at wegohealth.com/social media survey, there's more data there than what we're able to show today at this event.
Great, Jack. Thank you very much for your time and the opportunity to talk to you. This is Russ Ward reporting for Pixels and Pills.